What's up, Soul Sky? Hey guys, welcome to my home. Guess what? Today video we are doing what? A seafood egg roll. Now, this video is dedicated to a subscriber. Not sure who the name is, just because when I was on one of my lives, they said, "Oh, can you do a seafood egg roll?" Never did one. I did so many egg roll videos, and then my brother came along and said, "Hey, I make these great seafood egg rolls." I said, okay, you're the second person who mentioned seafood egg roll, and I think it's time to do a seafood egg roll. So this video is dedicated to my brother and to that subscriber out there who wanted a seafood egg roll. My brother told me how to do it, the recipe and everything, so this is his recipe that I'm going with. So guys, guess what? Let's go cook. Okay guys, I got my pan on medium heat. Let me turn it down, tell you. Got some olive oil here. About 3 tablespoons, not that much, of olive oil. And what I gotta do is that when I get this started, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 400. Now, we're using a coleslaw. And guys, we wanna cook. You want to cook good and you want to cook easy. We don't want to cook hard, you know, get what I mean. So I'm using a coleslaw mix now. My kitchen my way, your kitchen your way. If you want to go get a cabbage and some carrots and clean them and chop them, do it. I'm taking the coleslaw mix, taking some kitchen shears, and guess what? Our cabbage is done. Now I'm going to go in. Well, listen to that. I'm not even using all this. I'm not making a whole lot. Oh, hand me a wooden spoon, my son. It's almost basically just like we're just warming it up. Warming that cabbage up. That's all we're doing. And while that's warming up, that's all we're doing, just warming it up. And it ate up that olive oil. I'm going to put a little more olive oil, maybe 4 tablespoons of olive oil in here, guys. Okay, extra virgin. Then turn that down to a low. Okay, what I'm using for my seafood crab leg, for my seafood egg rolls, I got my egg rolls here. I got some Philly. Is it Philadelphia or Philly or what's this thing over there? I think this is lump crab. I'm not sure. Jumbo. Ooh, anyway, it tastes good. And I got some already cocktail jumbo cooked shrimps. If you want the shrimps as raw, you want to cook them, you want to take that extra step, your kitchen, go for it. But we ain't good. Look, we're making cooking easy and quick. And I'm just stirring up this cabbage. You just want it to cook till it get a little bit of wilted. Because all we're doing is warming up stuff, guys. Warming it up. Look at that cabbage. Look at that. So, push it to the side. We're going to make a hole. I'm taking my kitchen shears. Like I said, these are jumbo, solid, already cooked, the vein, tail on, remove the tail, shrimps. I'm going to take my scissors, and these are kitchen shears, y'all. And I'm just going to do this. Big enough so when you bite into your egg roll, you'll be say, "Oh, I got a piece of shrimp." And I'm just gonna do all these. And for my seasoning, I'm just gonna do some Old Bay and pepper. It's up to you if you want to flavor it up with garlic and all that stuff. Me particularly, I don't think you need all that. It's a quick and easy, guys. Seafood egg roll. And again, we doing number warming it up. I didn't use the whole bag of jumbo shrimps. Save something later, you know. You may want to make a salad. Throw these in there. It's that easy. Now, I have my crab meat. This crab meat tastes good. I'm gonna let it. Just a half of that Oh my goodness. That crab meat is fresh. Old Bay seasoning. It's a seafood egg roll, right? As much as you want. I don't want that much. And a little bit of pepper. I just like pepper in my stuff. And guess what? Let's stir it up. I'm just gonna let this saute for about 5 minutes and we'll be back. Okay guys, I want to say, my solution is done. My filling is done. I wasn't going to add the whole thing of crab meat because my son was like, it's seafood. You need to add all the crab meat. So I add the whole thing of crab meat. So guys, yes, she's sitting down because look, that's the process. I can sit down doing this. Okay, so I have my egg roll wrapper, right? So I'm going to get some filling. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Can somebody say seafood? Egg. Ooh, okay, that's just enough. This one, ooh, that's my oven. My oven is ready. Okay, so I'm going to sit the spoon right here. Take my water. You use an egg wash. Some people use egg wash, but I just use water. I'm not wasting no egg when water works just fine. And you scatter diagonal. And you just want to roll. Make sure all your ends. So you want to take this part. Ooh, take it over your filling. You want to roll it. Push back. And roll it. Then fold in. It's going to turn into like an envelope. Fold in. And then you're going to roll. Be very careful because these could be very soft. They'll break up in texture. But guess what? Look at my egg roll. Y'all see that? Let me sit that right there. We're going to do another. Oh, did I tell you guys? This is going in the oven. I'm on a new life journey. Okay? So guess what? We're not deep frying these. These are going in the oven on 400 for about 20 minutes. You can still have good food, but cook healthy. Again, we're going in with, ooh, that filling. This house smells good. This crab meat is amazing. Look at that. We're going to put a little bit more in there. You want them, you want somebody to be like, ooh, because you know why? I want you to taste what you're getting. Again, along the edges, with the water. So show them the pan we're going to be using. So guys, that's my cookie sheet bacon wrap. I sprayed it with some canola oil, or you could spray it with some olive oil spray, but I use canola oil, what I had in the house. Again, we're making an envelope. We're going over. We're going to push back. We're going to roll at least once. And we're going to pull in. Ooh, going to pull in this side. You're going to pull in that side. And then you're just going to simply take your time and roll it, because it could get thin. Look at that roll. And okay guys, I flipped all of these. I sprayed them with canola oil. You see, they got a lot of cornstarch or flour. Whatever they use, cornstarch or flour, so it's a lot of it. So these are the ones that I left for you guys. See, I sprayed this side. And be careful when you split it, because see how they could tear, but they sit and they dry up. So now all one side been sprayed, and I'm just gonna take my canola oil, or you have a brush and then spray the other side. And I'm gonna place this olive oil, place it in the oven, 420 minutes. And the reason I'm using the baker's rack and the sheet pan, because I don't gotta flip them. Now if you put this on parchment paper and a cookie sheet, after 10 minutes you're gonna have to flip them. By me using the baker's rack, it's baking up underneath, no flipping. Be back in 20 minutes in the oven. Okay, so we are back. fashion change. Guys, I had to change my blouse because them egg rolls had so much cornstarch flour or something on them. But look, here we go. Now, are they gonna be the prettiest? No, because guess what? They're not all oiled up and deep fried and everything. But the house smells amazing. It smells like seafood. And there's a duck sauce, because at this point, it's up to you what you want to dip it in. You could eat them plain, you could dip them, or whatever. But look at those. Look at these. Ooh, and they hot. So, these are baked, and they're egg rolls. I mean, you can't get any more better than that. They're baked egg rolls. They're not going to look all glossy, but they're healthy. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to take something, well, old, revamp it, make it healthy for us to eat. And so I did some seafood egg rolls baked. If you want to do my duck sauce, check out my shrimp egg roll video, description in below. It is, wait a minute, the description in below, and description below. Guys, until next time, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, thumbs up this video. We got plenty of more videos coming. And guys, we're almost at 300,000, yes. So yeah, baked seafood egg rolls. Oh no, let's get a knife. You want to see what they look like in inside? Come on, people. What I was thinking about. What was she thinking about? Actually, I'm gonna get one of these ones from over here. And let's see. Oh, okay. You can't see it because you can just add more cabbage and stuff down at the end or whatever. So that's what it looks like in the inside. They smell good. And again, whatever you want to dip it in. You got some B-Love sauce. You probably could dip it in that. Not sure. But until next time again, guys, remember to hit that bell to be notified. Like this video, share this video, and I'll be back with another video. Dang, I said video how many times? 4 or 5 times? Anyway, we're out.